Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to return and refund on CNfans. First is check your eligibility. Ensure your item is unused in the same condition as you receive and its original packaging. Returns must be initiated within 30 days of purchase, but some items cannot be returned including perishable goods. Next is initiate return. Go to your account on CNfans and navigate through the order section. Select the order you want to return and follow the prompts to request a return. Next is to ship them. You will need to mail the product back to the specified address. Note that you're responsible for the return shipping costs. Lastly, refund process. Once your return is received and inspected, you will be notified via email about the approval or rejection. And that's basically it.